Hello students, myself Tendel Alpa, a teacher of Radiant International School. Today we are going to learn computer my friend. Now start. Can you guess which picture is this? Yes, this is a computer. This is a desktop computer. See here the parts of computer also. System unit, mass storage device, a keyboard, a mouse. Keyboard and mouse are the input device. Look at the monitor. Look at the printer. They are output devices. Let us see about the desktop computer. This is a desktop computer. These computers are big in size. Have a look. They are big in size comparative to tablet computer and laptop computer. They are kept on desk. That is why only these computers are called desktop computers. Computers are mainly used in offices and schools. Which picture is this? Yes, you guessed right. This is a laptop computer. Did you know why it is called a laptop computer? Okay. These computers are kept on our lap. That is why only these computers are called laptop computer. Let us see about laptop computer. This is a laptop computer. It is small in size. A laptop computer can be carried around easily. See, laptop computer अभी ज़्यादा यूज हो रहा है. क्यों पता है आपको? Because small in size, it is carried out easily, and basically it is used for personally also. Did you see a laptop computer used by your parents also? Now see tablet computer. A tablet computer is larger than mobile phone. It has a touch screen on which we can write using a special purpose pen. See, जो टैबलेट कंप्यूटर होते हैं उन पे टच स्क्रीन होती है. आपने कभी देखा होगा कि टच करते ही सिलेक्शन हो जाता है. वी कैन राइट ऑल्सो. दैट इज अ टच स्क्रीन. नाउ components of a computer. See, computer is a new subject for you. So, आपको जानना ज़रूरी है कि कंप्यूटर के components क्या क्या है. There are 4 main components. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. There are 4 main components of a computer and you have to remember these things all time. Monitor. Monitor is a output device. It looks like a television. Can you see? It is looks like a television only. It displays output. Whatever we give as an input in computer, we will get output on a monitor. It is also known as visual display unit. We can also see movies on a computer. कीबोर्ड. कीबोर्ड का स्पेलिंग याद रहेगा. KEYBOARD. A keyboard is looks like a typewriter. Have you seen typewriter? Nowadays you are seeing just mobile, TV and everything. Have you seen typewriter? Okay, I will show you in my next video. A keyboard is used for type letters, words, numbers and special symbols. CPU. CPU is brain of the computer. Why we will see. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It means CPU is a short form of the Central Processing Unit. CPU helps a computer to remember many things. That is why CPU known as brain of the computer. Mouse is known as pointing device. Have you seen move the mouse on mouse pad? Okay. Mouse has 3 buttons. Mouse is input devices. Mouse is used to click, select, drag item on the screen. Now activity time. See, look at the picture. Fill the picture with colors. Use crayons of your choice and color the picture. This picture will already in your book. So color it and enjoy.
Kliko, what are you doing?
Hi Rini, I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Kliko?
Sure Rini, I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Kliko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
Now, switch on the UPS.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have pressed the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes, I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rini. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rini, this is the mouse pointer. It now looks like an hourglass. It means that the computer is busy and will need some time to start up. Now, the hourglass has changed to the arrow pointer. This means the computer is now ready. We can start working on it. Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer?
Yes, Kliko. I can now always turn on the computer. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Oh, what should we do to turn off the computer? Should we just switch off the main socket switch?
No, Rini. We should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. There are a number of steps you should follow to turn off a computer.
Please tell me the steps and I will switch off the computer.
Okay, first of all, click on Start or the Windows sign on the screen of the monitor. Look, it is located at bottom left corner of the screen.
I have clicked on it. A panel has appeared on the screen.
Can you see the shutdown option in the panel? Well, click on it.
Yes, I can see that. I have clicked on it.
Good. Now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Look, the screen has now turned black. It means the computer is now turned off. The CPU also gets automatically turned off. So, we are not required to turn off the CPU. Now, switch off the monitor and after that switch off the UPS. And switch off the main power socket switch. Now, I hope you know how to switch on and off a computer.
Yes, I do now.
So, always remember these steps while turning on or off a computer.
Definitely, Clicker.